Hey guys, this is Jay Patel from MyFitMed. So this video is a comprehensive video about all the peptides. We have talked about multiple different peptides and its benefits and who can get the benefit from which peptide. If you are interested in learning about peptides and how to optimize your health, this is the video for you. Learn more about the video. Give us a call if you have more questions, and here you go. HGH peptide, also known as human growth hormone peptide, helps body release natural growth hormone. It interacts with pituitary gland and hypothalamus to stimulate the production of growth hormone naturally. HGH peptide helps maintain, build and repair healthy tissue and helps you add more lean muscle mass. Some of the symptoms of low HGH can be low energy, poor short-term memory, difficulty sleeping, dry skin, hair thinning, losing muscle, gaining belly fat. We can test your HGH or IGF-1 level and recommend you if HGH therapy fits you or not. Some of the HGH peptides that we use are Sermorelin, Ipamorelin, CJC, Tesomorelin. All this helps you lose body fat, improves lean muscle mass, improves your sleep, improves recovery time, repairs muscle better, and gives you overall feeling of well-being. BPC-157 is a sequence of 15 amino acids. It is a synthetic amino acid chain. BPC-157 is a partial sequence of a naturally occurring substance called body protecting complex that is found in our gastric juice. BPC-157 is also known as a healing peptide because it has shown a great healing properties. BPC-157 has shown to improve the symptoms of gastric ulcer, intestinal issues, irritable bowel syndrome, and it has shown to improve your overall GI health. BPC-157 is also great for accelerating the healing process of certain wounds, and thus it improves your overall skin appearance. The healing property of BPC-157 is not only limited to GI and skin, but it has also shown to accelerate the healing of tendon, muscle sprain, or ligament tears. BPC-157 may benefit for patients that are suffering from muscle strain, generalized joint pain, especially people that work out on regular basis. The exact mechanism of BPC-157 is not known, but the studies have shown that BPC-157 increases the growth hormone receptors in the tendon fibroblast. Thus, very small amount of growth hormone will help alleviate the symptoms of joint pain. So in general, it improves overall joint health. Even if you don't have symptoms, it may be great to take it to improve your generalized joint health. PT141 is also known as bremelanotide. It's a synthetic peptide developed from melanotan 2. It was originally developed as a tanning agent, was also called as sunless tanning agent. So basically you can get tanned just by using these injections and you don't have to be in the sun. PT141 later got approved by FDA for the treatment of female hypoactive sexual desire disorder, also called as HSDD. So basically it is used for female that has low sex drive or has no interest in sex. It is also used in male for erectile dysfunction or impotency in male. Traditional ED medication that men use is like Viagra, Cialis, acts on vascular system by increasing the blood flow to the penis, thus causing erection. Whereas PT141 acts on the nervous system. PT141 binds to the receptors in hypothalamus that affects the sexual arousal, thus improving the sex drive and erection. So this is perfect for patients that cannot take the other traditional ED medication for any of the medical reason. Plus, the effect of PT141 stays in your system for longer. You don't have to take it every day because the effect lasts longer. A lot of patients comes and ask me what's the main difference between the two, because everybody thinks that they're getting HGH when actually most of the doctors prescribe is HGH peptide. So I'll give you the brief introduction and difference between the two. HGH is the exogenous HGH that directly increases your HGH level, whereas the HGH peptide is the chain of amino acids. HGH directly causes a spike in your HGH level and shut down body's own production. whereas HGH peptide stimulates your own production by stimulating the pituitary gland. So it doesn't shut down your own production, it just boosts your natural HGH. Because of this, when you're on HGH therapy for some time, and if you discontinue the therapy, body's HGH level will drop immediately because your body has already shut down your own production, and then you stop the therapy, so your HGH level in your body drops immediately. Whereas when you're on HGH peptide for some time and if you stop the therapy, your levels will still be elevated because it's stimulated for some time. And if you keep up with the lifestyle, workout, eating right, you can keep your levels elevated for a longer period of time. Taking HGH has high risk of overdosing and tachyphylaxis, whereas taking HGH peptide, there is very low risk, it's very safe medication and very low risk of tachyphylaxis. HGH being a controlled substance, it's very difficult to get it. Most of the doctor will not prescribe because of its side effect, whereas HGH peptide is a chain of amino acid, so a lot of the doctor will prescribe it in response to your goals, and it's very easy to get it. HGH is very expensive, whereas HGH peptide is very affordable. Some of the HGH out there are Norditrop, Gonadotrop, and some of the HGH peptides are Sermorelin, Ipamorelin, Tesomorelin, CJC, PPC. So to summarize, naturally when you're not on HGH or HGH peptide, body's HGH level will spike in response to your lifestyle. So for example, when you're working out, body's need increase. If you eat healthier, if you're sleeping better, you can keep your natural HGH level higher. So HGH level is not constantly elevated in our body, and that's how the peptide spikes your level very naturally. If you're on HGH peptide and stimulated, it's going to spike in response to your everyday activity. It will spike even higher when you're on peptide compared to when you're not. But if you're on HGH therapy, it's going to keep your level elevated all the time, which is not natural, which is not what your body is asking for it. It is very safe to do HGH peptide to achieve your goal. BPC 157 is basically a healing peptide. BPC 157 improves overall inflammation and speeds up the recovery process. For athletes, it improves overall joint pain and soreness post-workout, so they are ready for their next workout and give their very best. Basically, a BPC 157 speeds up the recovery process by lowering overall inflammation. It also accelerates the wound healing and improves the symptoms of muscle sprain, ligament tear, tendon inflammation. These are the stuff that prevents athletes from performing at their very best. Overall, BPC 157 also improves the gut health or the symptoms of leaky gut. Thus, it improves the absorption of vitamins and minerals for athletes, which in turn improves overall performance. BPC 157 also improves the water retention and feeling bloated for athletes. So when they are posing on the stage or when they're going for their weigh-ins, it improves their weight. MOTS is used for weight loss because it improves your overall metabolism and also gives you good energy. So MOTS is the mitochondrial derived peptide composed of 16 amino acids. This peptide regulates the metabolic function in our body, and it's a very important regulator for energy balance. It helps turn glucose into usable energy, and it's associated with amino acid, carbohydrate, and lipid metabolism. So all this process and converting all this stuff into energy happens in mitochondria, and MOTS improves that process. MOTS increases the glucose muscle uptake without stimulating the insulin production, which is a similar process that happens when you work out. So when you exercise, lift weight, it overall increases your glucose muscle uptake without stimulating insulin production. So MOTS basically mimics exercise. Some of the common benefits of MOTS are: it helps you lose weight, it improves your glucose metabolism, improves your insulin sensitivity, and improves and regulate the mitochondrial energy production. So it improves your overall energy. Tesofensine is an oral peptide and it's a one-a-day pill. It is serotonin, noradrenaline, dopamine reuptake inhibitor. Tesofensine was originally developed for the treatment of Alzheimer and Parkinson because of its effects on neurotransmitter and it being a reuptake inhibitor. Scientists found out that tesofensine caused significant reduction in the appetite of the patients. Tesofensine improved the feeling of satiety. It also stimulated the effect of fat oxidation and improved the resting energy expenditure, which overall improved the metabolism. Studies also showed that after using tesofensine for 2 to 3 weeks, it showed significant improvement in overall. Some of the benefits of tesofensine are it improves the appetite or it lowers the appetite, improves the feeling of satiety, it helps you lose weight and improve overall body composition by targeting visceral fat, thus improving your belly fat. Because of its effects on dopamine, it improves the mood and improves the symptoms of depression. Tesofensine is also neuroprotective and it overall improves the insulin sensitivity. AOD 9604, commonly known as fat-burning peptide. It is a chain of 191 amino acid that stimulates the pituitary gland. AOD contains the same amino acid as those found in naturally occurring growth hormone. It activates the fat oxidation by mechanism which triggers the fat release from obese fat cell and increases the fat burning. It has an extraordinary ability to reduce the abdominal fat store and has unique ability to target area where there are abnormally high level of fat. So AOD is perfect for improving your fat metabolism when you're trying to lose weight and still protect the muscle loss. Unlike some other fat burning peptides and weight loss medication, AOD doesn't increase your hunger level and doesn't affect your blood sugar level. Some of the benefits of AOD 9604 are it reduces the body fat. It actually stimulates the lipolysis, which is breaking down of fat and lipid in the body, and it inhibits the lipogenesis, which is transformation of non-fatty food into body fat, thus preventing the fat storage. So AOD peptide works by inhibiting the lipogenesis and stimulating the lipolysis, eventually helping you break down the stored fat and preventing the new fat to build up. Perfect peptide for losing fat and keeping your lean muscle on. So the peptides are the chain of amino acids arranged in a specific sequence to target the specific receptors throughout the body. Most of the peptide binds to the receptors in pituitary gland. Each peptide has a different function in the body. Some may act as a neurotransmitter and help regulate biochemical activity inside our body. Some of the general benefit of HGH peptides include increased lean muscle mass, reduction in abdominal and belly fat, improves energy and endurance, improves quality of sleep, improves overall energy and mental clarity, boosts immunity, improves sex drive and performance, and improves your recovery and healing process. It also lowers overall body's inflammation to make you overall healthier. These are some of the peptides we offer here at MyFitMed and their benefits. CJC 1295 comes in combination with Ipamorelin, improves lean muscle mass, helps you burn fat, recover better, and improves your sleep. Sermorelin gives you deeper sleep, improves your lean muscle mass, and improves your overall wellness. MK677, also known as Ipamorelin, improves your lean muscle mass and helps you burn fat. MK677 also makes you hungry, so this is good for somebody who wants to bulk up or add more muscle and have to eat more. BPC157 injectable, so injectable helps you repair and recover better, whereas BPC oral helps you improve your overall gut health. And if somebody has like gastritis or ulcer or heartburn or any of the symptoms, oral one works better. So next one is PT141, also known as bremelanotide. This peptide improves the sex drive and boosts your libido. GHK-Cu, it's copper peptide. It improves your overall skin appearance. It's a topical peptide, improves your skin health. Thymosin alpha improves your immunity and it's an immune booster. Thymosin beta helps you recover better and repair faster, perfect for athletes. AOD 9604, this peptide helps you reduce body fat and prevents the conversion of non-fatty food into the body fat, It's perfect for lowering the percentage body fat. Tesofensine. This peptide suppresses the appetite and improves your overall mood by improving the dopamine and serotonin level. MOTS-c acetate. This peptide improves energy by metabolizing carbs, lipid, and amino acid into the mitochondria. So it pushes mitochondria to produce more ATP to improve your energy and improves your overall metabolism for fat loss. These are the peptides that we commonly use and their benefits. Sermorelin is a growth hormone releasing hormone peptide. It consists of 29 amino acids naturally occurring in brain's hypothalamus. It is GHRH that helps stimulate the natural growth hormone production from pituitary. As we age, the growth hormone releasing hormone declines, causing the decline in human growth hormone. So Sermorelin helps push that up. It also increases synthesis of insulin-like growth factor 1, IGF-1, in the liver. Some of the benefits of Sermorelin are it improves the production of growth hormone, so gives you all the benefits of human growth hormone, and it improves it naturally. It improves your overall metabolism, lowers the body fat percentage, and improves your lean muscle mass. Sermorelin also improves your quality of sleep, which in turn improves your energy the next day and also improves your recovery. You also build muscle when you get quality sleep at night. Your muscle repairs at night, improves your sex drive, improves wound healing and overall healing process in the body by lowering inflammation. It improves bone strength and it improves your muscle strength and endurance, so perfect for performance athletes. Ipamorelin is amino acid chain made up of 5 different amino acids, and it is known as selective growth hormone secretagogue. Ipamorelin is the first of its kind and first selective growth hormone secretagogue because it does not release all the negative hormones like cortisol, acetylcholine, prolactin, and aldosterone. Ipamorelin only helps you stimulate the growth hormone and avoid the stimulation of all the other negative hormones. Ipamorelin stimulates the pituitary gland and activates the receptors in pituitary gland to secrete growth hormone naturally. Some of the benefits of Ipamorelin are it increases the production of growth hormone naturally. It helps you lose weight. It accelerates the fat loss in our body, helps body burn more fat, and if exercising regularly, it accelerates the fat loss at the next level. It improves the lean muscle mass and improves your bone density, improves the body composition by lowering your percentage body fat. It increases the natural collagen production. It improves the sleep quality or gives you more rested sleep for better recovery and better repair of muscle, and it improves your overall bone strength. When will I start seeing improvement in my symptoms? Sermorelin is a HGH peptide that naturally stimulates your growth hormone. So consistency is key here. You have to be consistent with diet, exercise, and taking the Sermorelin for some time to start seeing the improvement in symptoms. So here is the breakdown that we have seen in our patient. Once you start the Sermorelin, the first month you see that improvement in the sleep quality. And if you are someone that works out regularly, you will see some improvement in your stamina. The second month, you start seeing improvement in your belly fat. So 4th month, this is when you start seeing improvement in your cognition and memory. You'll see real change in the skin elasticity and improvement in your overall skin quality. And this is when you start seeing the changes in your body composition. You'll see improvement in your lean muscle mass and lowering your fat percentage. The 5th month is when you see the full effect of Sermorelin, where your overall metabolism is better, you're sleeping better, you're feeling rested next day, your energy is better, you see improvement in your skin and the wrinkles has gone down, and overall feeling of well-being. MK677 is also known as Ipamorelin. MK677 is one of the peptides that can be taken orally, unlike other peptides that has to be injected sub-Q. MK677 is the growth hormone stimulator. It promotes secretion of growth hormone and insulin-like growth factor naturally from pituitary gland. It works by imitating the ghrelin hormone and binds with its receptor. Ghrelin is the hunger hormone that makes us feel hungry. So MK677 actually stimulates ghrelin hormone. So one of the negative part of MK677 is it's going to increase your hunger. MK677 can increase the lean muscle mass. So it is very good for somebody who is suffering from sarcopenia or low bone mineral density. It is also good for somebody who is not suffering from actual medical condition like sarcopenia, but somebody who wants to improve their lean muscle mass and wants to pack more muscle without necessarily losing more fat. Some of the benefits of MK677 are it helps you build more muscle. It improves your muscle strength and improves your overall physical strength. It improves the bone mass and improves your bone density, makes you a little stronger, improves your overall athletic performance, aerobic and anaerobic performance, improves your energy level, improves your focus, and improves your overall physical strength and help you get bigger, stronger muscle and stronger bones. Dihexa is a nootropic and a small peptide that has been developed by researchers at Washington State University. Dihexa has found to potently improve your cognitive function and has been studied for diseases like Alzheimer's. It is orally active peptide that works through penetrating the blood-brain barrier. So it easily crosses your blood-brain barrier. It not only helps improve your overall cognition function, but it has shown improvement in repairing the brain damage. So like reversing the brain damage that you may have. Some of the benefits of Dihexa may include improved cognitive function, improved short-term and long-term memory, helps manage depression, improves brain focus, enhancing the creative thinking and social interaction, improved overall mental stamina. If you are someone looking to enhance your overall mental stamina and improving overall memory, Dihexa may be for you. DSIP is a neuromodulator and a natural sleep-promoting peptide. DSIP easily passes blood-brain barrier. It works by binding the receptor in the brain that are linked to sleep and relaxation. It helps by increasing the production of chemical called GABA, which slows down the brain activity, induces relaxation and promotes deeper sleep. That's why DSIP has been used for the treatment of poor sleep and stress-related symptoms. The benefit of DSIP or delta sleep-inducing peptide may include improvement in disturbed sleep pattern, improved LH and GH release, which helps boost natural testosterone, decrease the production of cortisol, which in turn helps improve overall stress-related symptoms, regulation of circadian rhythm, so it improves your overall sleep pattern. It improves your quality sleep, which is like a deep sleep, REM sleep. So when your overall sleep has improved, the next day you feel energetic and more focused. GHK-Cu is the peptide with 3 amino acids. It was originally found in human plasma, but is also found in saliva and urine. Plasma level of GHK declines as we age, which causes decrease in collagen production, which leads to wrinkly skin and age-related skin issues. GHK, when mixed with copper, which makes it a copper peptide, stimulates the collagen production. It also has variety of role in human body, including promoting wound healing, antioxidant property, anti-inflammatory property, and promoting blood vessel growth. This improves your overall skin quality and it has been used for the treatment of age-related skin problems. Copper peptide was also found to strongly stimulate hair growth. Hair growth efficiency of this peptide was found to be similar to 5% minoxidil, which is used very commonly for hair growth. There is another peptide called zinc thymulin, which also stimulates hair growth. Mixing copper peptide with zinc thymulin, which is another peptide, helps you improve your overall health, can significantly improve hair growth and overall hair health. We'll discuss zinc thymulin in a separate video. Copper peptide overall improves your skin quality and also helps you improve hair growth. We use copper peptide cream for topical, like for face, and we use copper peptide serum for hair. Benefits of copper peptide: it may improve skin elasticity and firmness, reduces hyperpigmentation and skin spot, tightens loose skin, reverses thinning of age-related skin laxity, stimulates skin collagen production, reduces skin inflammation and protect from sun damage, improves wound healing and reduces infection, increases hair growth and follicular size, improves overall skin appearance. Thymosin is the hormone secreted from thymus gland. The main function of thymosin is to stimulate the production of T cell, which is very important for healthy immune system. TB4 or thymosin beta 4 aids in creation of new blood vessel to any injured area, which help carry blood, nutrients and other substance needed for healing. Thus, this accelerates the healing process. TB4 also plays key role in lowering inflammation by lowering the inflammatory substance called cytokines. TB4 may accelerate the healing process, soft tissue repair, and hair regrowth. Overall, it helps you boost the immunity by improving the T cell function. The benefits of thymosin beta 4. It may improve tissue repair, reduces the inflammation of the tissue in joint, repairs soft tissue, tendon and ligament. It may encourage growth of new blood cell in the tissue, may improve heart health by tissue repair and reducing the infarct size, improves muscle tone and calms muscle spasm. It improves exchange of substance between the cells, thus improving the cell-to-cell communication for overall health and improve hair regrowth. TB500 is the synthetic form of thymosin beta 4. So like thymosin beta 4, TB500 also promotes tissue healing and tissue repair. It improves the wound healing by increasing or improving the formation of new blood vessel and muscle tissue growth. Healing effect of TB500 has been observed in skin, heart, muscle, ligament and tendon. TB500 improves your overall soft tissue damage and improves the symptoms like joint pain. The benefits of TB500. TB500 may improve tissue repair for chronic injuries. It may also improve the tissue repairs for acute injury like sports related injuries. It reduces the inflammation, which helps you with overall recovery process, improves muscle recovery, muscle growth, muscle tone and overall muscle stamina, and it reduces the scar tissue. So if you are a professional athlete or somebody who works out on regular basis and have joint pain, lot of inflammation, poor recovery, this peptide may be for you. KPV is the peptide fragment which has very strong and very potent anti-inflammatory property. KPV is naturally produced in our body and is found in hormone alpha MSH. KPV works at the cellular level. It enters the cell and then enters the nucleus of the cell, where it blocks all the anti-inflammatory pathway, thus improving your overall inflammation at the cellular level. Because of its strong anti-inflammatory property, KPV has been used in a wide range of inflammatory conditions like ulcerative colitis, psoriasis, inflammatory bowel syndrome. KPV also has immunomodulatory property and antimicrobial property. It's also used in autoimmune disorder and also to strengthen the immunity. KPV can also be taken in combination with BPC-157, which is another anti-inflammatory peptide. When it's taken in conjunction with BPC-157, it gives you the synergetic improvement in body's inflammation. Benefits of KPV may include improving overall inflammation in the body. It may improve the symptoms of GI issues like inflammatory bowel disease, ulcerative colitis, Crohn's. It also improves your overall GI health for better absorption of nutrients. KPV also improves or strengthens immunity. KPV accelerates the wound healing and improves the injury repair. So it can be used to improve the symptoms of joint pain, especially for athletes. Topical KPV improves your skin health, improves overall inflammation of the skin, and improves overall skin appearance.